Welcome back, CNC beginners and hopefuls. In the last video, we used AI to create a simple yet striking design and prepped it for carving. Today's video is a shorter one, but an essential step to make your CNC projects truly stand out. We're adding a twist that brings personality and flair to your design. Curious? Stick around. You won't want to miss what's coming next or the sneak peek at the next video. To get started, I gave this pine board a bold coat of red spray paint. It's a simple step that instantly transforms the look of your project. I chose red for a touch of Christmas cheer, but you can use any color to match your design. Just make sure to let the paint dry completely before moving to the next step. Next, I loaded the G-code file we created in the first video back into Candle. Don't let the technical terms scare you. Loading a file is as easy as opening a document on your computer. If you're just joining us, check out my previous video where I walk you through creating and preparing your design step by step. With everything set up, carving is just a click away. As the CNC cuts through the paint, it reveals the natural wood underneath, creating a stunning contrast. It's simple, but the result? Pure magic. To take this project one step further, I filled the carved areas with epoxy resin, mixing in a hint of silver mica powder for a subtle shimmer. It's a simple way to add depth and a polished professional finish to your design. Now, I know epoxy resin can seem intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than you think. As long as you've got gloves, good ventilation, and a little patience, you're good to go. If you're new to resin and feeling a little unsure, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to do a beginner-friendly guide in the future. Using a dropper made filling even the tightest areas a breeze, less mess and more accuracy. Now, I'll be honest, it didn't pop quite as much as I'd hoped. A stronger contrasting color would have added more drama, and I probably could have been a bit more generous with the mica powder for that shimmer. But even as it is, the glimmer from the resin alone gives it a beautiful polished look, subtle yet classy. Lesson learned for the next time. Bold colors and extra shimmer can go a long way, but hey, even subtle sparkle has its charm. Quick tip. Masking tape is a great option if you want to keep your edges extra clean before painting. I didn't use it here since this is just a demo, but it's a lifesaver for detailed projects. You could also add a clear coat after carving. Not only does it protect your work, but it also gives everything a nice polished look. Totally optional, but worth considering. Lastly, and this one's non-negotiable, patience. Allow everything to dry and cure fully before moving on to the next step. Skipping this can turn a masterpiece into a mess in no time. This project is ready to spread some holiday cheer. In the next video, we'll explore the difference in CNC bits and how they can elevate your creations even further. Don't miss it. Subscribe and hit that bell to stay tuned.